Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through how to turn on feature by tapping on the back of your iPhone. To add a feature by simply tapping on the back of your iPhone, first of all what you need to do is open your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit and then search for accessibility and simply hit on that. From here, select the touch option. Scroll down at the last, you will see an option of back tap. Hit on that and select double tap. Then from this system, choose any option you want to add by tapping the back of your iPhone. For now I have choose camera, so simply by tapping on the back, my camera will be opened. So in this way you can easily add this feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.